Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A73 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's go to your contacts, find the contact of course you'd like to edit and tap on it, and now let's tap on the info icon. Now we have to tap on the edit icon and tap on the camera icon in the circle. And as you can see here, we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. So we've got the stickers, we've got the AR emoji, which are cool options if you want to, of course. And we've got 2 additional, and I would say kind of traditional options, because we've got the camera, and after tapping on it, your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. And now we just have to find the photo we would like to use and tap on it. And as you can see here from the step, we can change the position of this of the square with highlighted circle inside of it. We can change the size of it also. We can kind of zoom in and out the photo. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and tap on done. As you can see, this is how our contact will look like after saving, inside the circle. And if you're happy, just tap on save. Remember about that. And here we've got our contact saved with the new photo. What's more, it will be visible on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy A73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.